Hello and welcome back. Today I tried making potato chips at home and they actually turned out really well. Super crispy and delicious. Here is the list of ingredients we require for the recipe. So now let's get started. Start by thoroughly washing and then peeling off the potatoes. Next, slice them as thin as possible using a slicer or with a knife. Then, soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove the starch. This helps them get crispier. After 30 minutes, drain the water and pat the slices completely. Dry using a paper towel or a clean cloth. Make sure your potatoes are completely dried before frying. Now, heat some oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is hot, fry the potato slices in small batches so they don't stick to each other. Cook each batch for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Now, take them out and drain them on paper towel. While they are still hot, sprinkle with salt or your favorite seasonings and let them cool for a while. Enjoy your homemade potato chips, fresh, crunchy, and way better than store bought. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the CookHub.